Hello, in this video I want to show you how to upgrade weapons in Lords of the Fallen. To do this, first you will need to find the Galinda. It's the NPC that is able to upgrade your weapons, and in this video I won't be showing you how to find her, but if you're interested then let me know and I will quickly make that a video. Now, what we need to do to upgrade weapons when you already found her, we need to go to the Skyrest and then take a path right here. And then there's this lady, we can talk to her and then she'll be able to upgrade our equipment, that means weapons, and now select whichever weapon you want to upgrade. It costs the vigor and also it costs this delirium, or however it's called, these stones, and you can drop them from enemies. And that's it for this video, hope you like it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.